This Sainlogic WiFi smart weather station combines a 7-in-1 outdoor sensor with a bright 8.5-inch indoor display, giving you a thorough view of local conditions at a glance. It tracks temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed and direction, ultraviolet exposure, and sunlight intensity, which makes it well suited for gardeners, hobby meteorologists, and anyone managing outdoor spaces. The system links to your home network on the 2.4 GHz band and works with the Weatherseed application to provide artificial intelligence-based forecasts and timely alerts for changing weather. Data is refreshed about every 5 minutes and can be stored for up to 2 years, with charts and export options that make it easy to analyze trends over time. The outdoor sensor is powered primarily by solar energy with battery backup and mounts with a simple adjustable bracket, so installation is straightforward even if you are not especially technical. Overall, this station delivers reliable measurements, clear visuals, and flexible data access in a package that feels more polished and capable than many entry-level consumer weather units.